Okay ASUS, you're up next. Let's see exactly what's so special about your ASUS ROG Strix RTX 4080 Super Gaming OC. And yes, that is one of the most ridiculous GPU names I've ever heard. Almost as ridiculous as the price, because it's going to cost you over $250 over MSRP. So what exactly does ASUS do to try and justify that price? Well, starting off with performance, here ASUS gave us a 90 MHz overclock in the factory, which sure isn't the most in the world and probably won't be noticeable to most people. But at the same time, it's RTX 40 series, okay? These cards aren't great overclockers. And of course, you can always take it a bit further yourself with a manual overclock, and this card has plenty of cooling for that, with a solid dual fan setup and plenty of heatsink. It is significantly longer, wider, and taller than average RTX 4080 Super, though it still could be worse, and it is only 3.5 slots at the end of the day, so it's not in that quad slot region in which absolute monsters like the ASUS Master currently reside in. And when it comes to video outputs, ASUS, thank you. No, seriously, thank you, because you don't know how happy it makes my jaded, cynical self that you put 2 HDMI ports on this graphics card and not just one like most people. Add to that 3 more display ports and that is more than fine by me. Like seriously guys, if you're making a graphics card so big, just add some more HDMI ports and not just a measly single connector. It's not that hard. And as sad as it is, that alone may be one of the biggest USPs of this graphics card. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is ASUS's flagship, so they definitely did everything in their power to make it as unique looking as possible, with its nice red and blue aesthetic that really is out there, though it may make finding suitable components that match the aesthetic of this card kind of difficult. But still, if you want to get yourself, then the Newegg and Amazon links to it will be up in the iCards and down in the video description below, where you'll also find a Patreon, because even a $1 a month truly goes a long way, plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Banosh Roka, Not a Student, and Mexum, The Shade, Allcroft, Lensby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.